Hello YouTube, it's Nightknife72 here. Today we're doing a review on the Bear Grylls Pocket Scout Knife. It's a good knife. I've not had it too long. It's got a locking blade. It has good serrations, sharp serrations. It has a good out of the box blade on it, quite sharp. It has some grooves, if you can see in the top there, which gives it just a bit of gives you a bit of grip when you're using the knife. The one bad thing I have found on it is the eye at the back for putting paracord through. It's not quite big enough for 550 paracord. So what I've done here is I had a bit of green paracord, and what I've done is I've just took the green outer casing off it, and then this runs through it quite freely. Other than that, it's a good compact lightweight knife. The locking mechanism on it seems firm, and all round it's a good knife, handy for little tasks around the fire or food preparing. Yeah, it's one that I'll be using quite a lot in the future. Thanks for watching. I hope you subscribe.